Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you my top 5 makeup brushes. These brushes are a must-have for me and I use each one of them for more than one purpose. So if you want to see my favorite makeup brushes, just keep on watching. And if you like this content, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for doing all of that. It really helps with the YouTube algorithm. And now let's get to it. So before we talk brushes, I did film this makeup tutorial and I will link it above for you. The first one on the list is MAC 286S. This brush picks up just the right amount of product and it disperses it through my crease perfectly no matter what formula of eyeshadow I'm using. This is a synthetic brush, so it is especially good for cream products, but I use it for both powder and cream. Its bristles are so soft and it feels really nice on my skin. This is my favorite crease brush. It's just perfect. The second brush is also from MAC. This is MAC 239S. It is smaller than a regular shader brush. This hugs my lid perfectly and it picks up just the right amount of pigment. The bristles are really soft and the density is just right. Since it's really skinny, I also use this for my lower lash line and it doesn't make a mess, whereas if I use this brush, this is a Sigma E55, which is what I'm going to talk about next. But if I use this brush to apply powder products on my lower lash line, I just end up making a mess because it's too big. So this is MAC 239S. The next brush is Sigma E55 Eye Smoking Brush. This is a denser and a bigger shader brush, and I use this to apply cream eyeshadow. Because it is dense, it picks up a good deal of product, and it is really handy when applying my cream eyeshadows. I can't use MAC 239 for my cream products because it soaks up all the product, which makes the application a little bit harder. So this brush is great for cream products. The next brush is a classic eyeliner brush. This is Sigma E65 Small Angle Brush. So it is a little bit smaller than your regular eyeliner brush. It is dense enough so that it picks up the right amount of product and it disperses it perfectly. I do wish it was a little bit skinnier because I need to really focus when I'm doing my eyeshadow liner. If I'm not careful, it ends up being a little too thick. But nonetheless, this is a great brush and I really enjoy using it. The fourth brush I'm going to talk about is Sigma L04 Detailed Lip Brush. This is intended for your lips, but I use this tiny brush for multiple things. I use it to highlight my inner corner. I use it to put product on my lower lash line, and you can also use this to on your crease to do some detailed work. This is definitely one of my favorite brushes from Sigma. And lastly, this from an art store looking brush is also from Sigma, and this is Sigma E10 Small Eyeliner Brush. This was a lot softer and flexible, but I wasn't able to use it for eyeliner because of its flexibility. So what I did was I put some nail polish to the ends, and now I use it for both eyeliner and these kinds of detailed work. It is extremely handy and useful. Alright guys, we have come to the end of this quick video. Now, do I have more than 5 brushes? Yes, I do. But I wanted to pick my top 5 can't do without brushes for you. I hope you enjoyed this content and found it useful. Please let me know in the comments what your favorite eye brushes are for me to try. Thank you for watching and I will see you on the next video. Bye!